Oh hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Janelle. Make sure that if you want to know how I installed these, you check the link up top and down in the description box. But I'm back again just to show you how I styled my faux locks while I had them in. Now this is the length. If you want to know all the details, like I said, make sure that you check that video. It was a struggle, but I had to take advantage and style my hair in different ways before I took these out. If you like my makeup look, make sure to check the previous video because I gave you a quick tutorial. So to get into this video, I am just showing you, I bought some hair accessories, these little gold cuffs, and I'm just going to start by applying these all over my hair. I love accessories. They definitely, change up the vibe, and this would be considered look number 1. Now to move on to look number 2, I am just grabbing a few of these faux locks and I'm just going to be twisting them towards the back of my head. And of course I will be doing the exact same thing on the other side. And to tie them, I'm literally just tying them into each other, and that's it. So now that that's done, I'm just adjusting the front just to make sure that it's to my liking. And this is a quick, easy hairstyle that you can do. Very boho style, boho vibes. I like it a lot, and of course add more accessories if you see fit. So tell me if you like number 1 or number 2. But let's move on to number 3. So when it comes to number 3, of course I wanted to create a half up, half down look. I actually have 2 of these within this video, and the second one is just slightly different. But for this half up, half down, I'm grabbing a good portion of the front of my hair, and I'm just using its one lock within that strand, within that bunch, within that section, you know what I mean, to just tie it within each other so that it can be secured in place. So I definitely just wanted to brush up a little bit of my edges there, give it more of a cleaner look, and that's it. Something simple. You can dress it up, dress it down, add some thread in the mix if you like. Now if not, let's just move on to the next style. So I definitely was thinking of creating something fun. So when I figured out what I wanted to do, I decided to just go ahead and do it. And what am I doing? I'm actually just creating 2 ponies on the side of my head. And once I have the desired amount of hair, I'm just going to grab one lock within it and just secure that in place. What I love about this style the most is just that it's fun. It's definitely something that you would have to be in the mood for. Tell me if you normally wear 2 ponytails with your natural hair or with a protective style in. And to jazz it up, I am just 2-strand twisting those 2 locks right there, and I really like how that came out. Tell me what you think. If this is a definite no, make sure to leave a comment down below and just share that with me. Now to move on to the next style, this is definitely the second half up, half down look that I was telling you about. I decided to leave 2 of the locks out and keep that 2-strand twist because I really liked how that looked. So of course I'm speeding it up just because I'm doing the exact same thing, grabbing a section, grabbing a lock, securing that in place, and that's it. It's super quick, super easy, super simple. It doesn't require any hair ties or anything like that. You just use the hair within your head to just secure it in place. So this is definitely one of my favorite looks. As you can see, I'm doing a little happy dance. So let's move on to the second to last style. So as you saw, I did grab some thread, and all I'm doing is just making a nice little bow just to give it a nice high ponytail. To be 100% honest, I really wasn't feeling this look at all. So I decided to just switch it up and make a nice, huge, big top knot. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping my hair around and I'm just literally going to tuck the ends in, and it didn't move. Listen, this lock bun was massive and it didn't go anywhere. I think it looked kind of crazy, but I would definitely wear it. So this concludes this video. Again, nice, short, simple hairstyles that you can do if you are wearing some faux locks. Let me know what you think. Let me know which style is your favorite. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your family, with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and just stay tuned for the next video. Peace and love.